The Prodigy ID brake controller. In many ways, the Prodigy ID works like its proportional predecessors, with similar number readouts, LED displays, error codes, and manual braking settings. What sets the ID apart is its connection with the Edge technology and the ability to use the app to control the ID from the palm of your hand. This app, and the brain trust behind it, make the Prodigy ID brake controller even more user-friendly. With the simple touch of your smartphone screen, you can adjust power output, boost, settings, and much more. Plus, you can store settings for multiple trailers, the same trailers with different loads, and multiple driver preferences. But if you don't have the app, your Prodigy ID is still a fully functioning brake controller. Just a simple touch and hold, and the use of the spring-loaded knob is all you need to easily navigate through the menus and sub-menus to select which options best fit the trailer you are using. When you first pull the Prodigy ID out of the box, you'll see the dash module, also known as the manual knob, the power module, which is the brains of the unit, and all the wiring needed to connect the brake controller to your vehicle. Once you have the Prodigy ID fully wired and installed, only the knob will show. When powered up, the front-facing LED display lights up. When your trailer is connected, the display will show a lowercase c. If you see N.C on your display, no trailer is connected. Once your connection is secure, there are several settings in the main programming menu. To access these, press and hold the button. When the main menu pops up, use the rotary knob to make your selection. You can choose power output, boost, brake controller type, brightness, electric or electric over hydraulic, reverse, and passcode. When setting power output to your trailer, select PO from the main programming menu, then press the button. This will take you to the sub-menu, where you can set your power output in increments of 0.5 up to 10. To set the boost, again press and hold the button until you see the main menu. Select BO and choose from 3 setting options. Once you've made your selection, press the button again to confirm. Next, go to the main menu and select brake controller type, shown as BR. Here you can choose proportional or time-activated braking. Then press the button to save your selection. The brightness of your display, shown as dB, is another variable that you can control. Simply press and hold the button to bring up the main menu and choose from one of 3 options. Then press again to save. Moving through the main menu, your next selection will be for the type of braking you'd like to use. This is appropriately noted with the letters EH because your choices are electric or electric over hydraulic. Once you've made your selection, remember to press the button again to save it. One of the convenient new features of the Prodigy ID is its reverse mode, which temporarily turns off the boost when you're backing up. This is most helpful when parking, especially in small or uneven spaces, like a campground. To set the reverse mode, go into the main menu and select RE. Then choose whether you'd like to turn this setting on. Note that reverse mode will only stay on for 3 minutes before turning back off automatically. Finally, you have the option to set a passcode for your controller, as noted by PA on the display. Push the button and select PS to set a code, or PC to clear it out. When you're done with your selections, hold the button or simply wait a few seconds. Your selected settings will update and you will be returned to the main menu. For more information on the Prodigy ID or other great Tekonsha products, visit tekonsha.com. Tekonsha, life's a journey. Stop often.